G'day, here's a small parcel of knobbies from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted to help highlight the colours. You can see there's a mixture of pieces here. We'll just go a bit closer. Okay, we'll go for this piece first. Bluey greens. This piece is very nice colours here. It's jelly crystal. Purples and mauves over this side. A grey base material with reds and greens there. Oops, sorry. Start again. Here's another piece, unfortunately it's got a hole in here. That was the piece I was showing before. Bit of colour over on that side there. Bit of reds, green there. I have green over on that side there. See it dipping down into here. Bit of colour showing through here. Yeah. Green bar showing there. It's only thin, but I cut a little stone off the side here. There's greens and pinks showing there on the top. Looks like it might come through here. Just be green down a bit more. Veal bar. This one's had a bubble in it. Colour through here. Piece with black centre. Bit of colour over on the side there. A button of colour there. Anyway, that's a bit of an idea of what you're looking at. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.